Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and with the Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 10 that rolled out, and especially if you look at the Patch Tuesday update that was yesterday, in the update history here, I can show you that the KB 5034763, which is for the most part, security updates, does make a few changes that will appear within the next couple of months. Now, one of them is to comply with the European Union rules, because there's a lot of things changing. There's the Europe Digital Markets Act, the DMA, and that is something that every operating system will have to comply, including the Windows 10 operating system, which means Edge will be removable, and there will be all sorts of things like that are going to change. So this is interesting because it will change for some markets, and it means that there's underlying changes coming also. And they're tweaking a little bit the search and the start and all of that within this. Microsoft says it's not immediately visible necessarily to everybody, for example, in Europe, but it will be within the next couple of months. And it will also be visible that there are a few changes. But yesterday's Patch Tuesday update did a few changes to make sure that the upcoming new features and upcoming changes to the operating system will go through. As we know, at the end of February, we will have a bug fixing update. So maybe there's some stuff that's going to be added. There's some things that we're going to see. But we know that Microsoft is going back into the let's tweak Windows 10 and let's try to find new features and introduce new features and new things in the Windows 10 operating system. So don't be surprised. A lot of people are still saying, well, why do they do this if there's less than 2 years left? Well, actually now, if you look at the paid extended support for security, this means the operating system actually now has more than 4.5 years left, which is much longer. So that means that's what you got to think now, 4.5 years rather than about 1.5 year or a little more than 1.5 year left for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.